Motorcyclists represent about 2% of vehicles on the road. So we created the first connected brake light to keep these millions of people as safe as possible. It's called Cosmo Connected. It's a detachable and autonomous smart helmet accessory that combines a rear brake light and a mobile application. Our objective? Allow the motorcycle drivers to feel more pleasure and freedom on the road by increasing the level of safety.
We developed a product range that brings many brand new safety features to riding. First, Cosmo shines bright red when riders decelerate, whether braking or not, providing a visual warning to other drivers.
Next, if there's an accident, the Cosmo app ensures that rescue arrives at the scene in a timely manner. It detects that the driver fell and automatically alerts emergency services and notifies their friends and family. It includes GPS coordinates so they can be found even if they're alone at night or out in the middle of nowhere. With the app, riders can choose who gets notified at any time. Cosmo is indispensable for protecting users and reassuring their loved ones.
We worked with the best designers and engineers to create an efficient, easy-to-use, reliable product that works in all weather conditions.
On a imaginé Cosmo comme un véritable compagnon du motard. On a cherché à avoir un produit avec une image à la fois extrêmement simple, mais une identité et une signature lumineuse singulière et forte. On voulait que ce produit puisse s'intégrer de manière naturelle au casque, de façon à proposer un ensemble homogène, cohérent et qui permette de renforcer la sécurité du motard lors de sa conduite.
Cosmo is removable so that battery charging is easy and it doesn't get in the way of storing your helmet. It uses a magnetic base glued to the back of the helmet. And this ensures that the brake light stays on the helmet in normal driving conditions but falls off in case of an accident. Cosmo has 8 hours of battery life in standby mode and 3 hours of battery life fully lit. It's designed to fit the curve of every helmet type.
But our plans don't end with motorcycles. Cosmo Connected will soon unveil new applications of its technology on other vehicles. For outdoor activities such as bicycling, horseback riding, snowboarding and hoverboarding. Cosmo Connected is creating technology suitable for all forms of mobility.
And it builds user communities around the theme of personal safety and patented smart devices. Cosmo Connected, promoting social interaction among passionate users. Ride with confidence and don't forget,
we got your back!
Introducing ExproFix, the world's first portable, compatible only with Nespresso capsules, lithium battery operated espresso machine. ExproFix can boil cold water, so you can own your coffee experience wherever you are.
My name is John. I'm the founder of ExproFix. Being a frequent traveller, I often find myself in places where I just can't get a decent coffee. With my 25 years experience in the electronic industry, after searching for the ultimate portable coffee machine that 1, can be rechargeable, 2, be fully automated, and 3, that can boil water, I knew I had to create it. Together with my partners, we've gone from impossible to possible to ensure you can have the best coffee whenever and wherever you are.
The ExproFix is ideal for travel and home use. With its custom-made bag, you can securely carry your ExproFix wherever you go. To take on planes, remove the battery before flight. Now any country feels like home. To get your fix, turn ExproFix upside down, then unscrew the drinking cup and the capsule cap. Insert your Nespresso capsule, pressing down till flat for perfect coffee extraction. Then screw back on the capsule cap and drinking cup. Turn your ExproFix back upright, then unscrew the water lid. To boil cold water, pour to the max level mark, then screw back on the water lid. Press down the button for 2 seconds. A white breathing light will appear whilst ExproFix boils the water and makes your espresso. To use boiled water, pour to the max level mark, then screw back on the water lid. Press down the button for 5 seconds. A white breathing light will appear whilst ExproFix instantly makes your espresso. A green light will appear when your espresso is ready. Lastly, enjoy.
I'm Eugene Murray, expert barista, co-founder of Colin Commentary and based in Melbourne. As an expert barista, I expect coffee to have an amazing crema. It can generally only be achieved by commercial machinery. The ExproFix is an amazing achievement in that it provides such a rich, smooth, fulfilling cup of coffee.
We have assembled a highly qualified team of engineers to partner with us to bring the ExproFix to life. We are now at this point where we need your support and trust to meet factory minimums and to finalise our tooling and certifications. As coffee lovers, let's bring ExproFix to market so we can enjoy the perfect coffee whenever and wherever we are.
Hi, my name is Paul Burns, and I'm the creator of Mixtape, the cassette reinvented. So what exactly is Mixtape? Mixtape is a fully functional music player that looks, feels, and even plays as a cassette. Sort of a nostalgic / quirky cool way to listen to and share music. So what I want to do first is cover some of the key features of Mixtape and then do a real-time demonstration so you can see how it works. Now I'm going to do a real-time demonstration of the 3 different ways you can use Mixtape to play back music. A couple of things before we get started. One, this is a prototype, so you'll notice there aren't any markings on the device. There's not any branding, as well as the touch panel buttons are not identified, but it is fully functional and should work great for this demo. Also, I've already transferred music from my iTunes over to the memory card that's inserted in the device, and that way we can just get straight to the demo. So first things first is I'm going to go ahead and select a song and hit play on it. And that way, when I plug in the headphones into the jack on the side, you'll immediately start hearing music. So I'll do like so. And now you've got music in your headphones. I'll then turn on this fabulous retro bump box and turn on Bluetooth. Like so. And then I will put this in pairing mode and scan for Bluetooth devices. As soon as it connects, the music should start playing. As I mentioned, you can't see the buttons, but they are here. Allows you to navigate through music, play, pause, etc. So last but not least, I'm going to use this old tape deck to play it back. I've removed the cover so you can see it a little bit better. I'm going to throw this in there like so and hit play. And a couple of times. So there's that playback as well. So there you have it, Mixtape, the cassette reinvented. I use it every day and I love it. I hope that you guys love it as much as I do. Please check out the rest of the Kickstarter page. Please pledge if you can. Please post us, share us, shout us from the rooftops. Every little bit helps. We certainly appreciate all the support, and with your help we can make music cool and fun and personal again. So just thank you guys so much. I really, really, really appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
I've always been one for new gadgets. The latest smartphone, the loudest speakers, the first ever MP3 player. But these days my priorities are a bit different. I don't just want gadgets to play with anymore, I want them to help me look good too. So, when I discovered the Philips Beard Trimmer 9000, I knew I'd struck gold. It's the only trimmer with pop-up laser guidance. So, creating sharp edges and perfect symmetry is easy. Plus, that's a freaking laser. Styling goes a little something like this. The laser guidance makes sure I stay within the lines, so I don't get too carried away, creating my style. You see, I don't think I'm alone in finding it a bit of an art form. Other trimmers couldn't get to every part of my face, and adding detail was a job for the barber. Now all I need to do is twist the dual head from trim to detail, and BAM! Hello, handsome. Even the length of my hair was hard to get right before. But with the precision zoom wheel in the Beard Trimmer 9000, I can choose anywhere between 0.4 and 7mm, then cut the perfect style every time. What's more, taking care of this is just the start. There are no fiddly attachments, it's simple to clean, and 100% waterproof. So to clean the trimmer, you simply rinse it under the tap. Plus, the ladies love the laser. Well, they certainly like the style it achieves.
Backed by years of experience, Kudo 3D has developed the beam to fit into anyone's life. This high-performance 3D printer is a truly affordable, all-purpose 3D printer created with the consumer in mind. Usage is simple. Simply pour in the resin, press print, and watch your designs come to life. The Bean allows yourself the freedom to view and control the printer from any Wi-Fi enabled device. The Bean has a large build area of 2.7 by 4.7 inches with a 50 micrometer resolution. It has a build height of 5.9 inches with a Z resolution capable of 10 microns. Along with its stylish design, the Bean is compact at 8 by 8 by 16 inches. Slices are projected by a 2K LCD panel coupled with a LED lamp. Our patented PSP technology enhances the resolution and surface smoothness. Specially formulated for the Bean, 3D SR resins range from green, gray, black, and yellow. With 3D SR resins, users are able to print a variety of models for different applications, such as miniature, jewelry, art, engineering, and dental. previous experience and success from our first Kickstarter, we know what it takes to meet the needs and fulfill promises. Our engineering and production team worked hard to deliver what we promised to our backers, and we will do it again for the second time. Help us achieve our goal of revolutionizing the 3D printer industry. Back the Bean 3D printer today. Kudo 3D.